Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have the new 50p that's come out in the Star Wars series. It's the second of 4, but the last one for the 2023 year. It is Darth Vader and Emperor Palpatine. I'll be showing the coin off better with the coloured version, but this one from Change Checker has a special Star Wars packaging. It has Charles III on the back on the portrait side. It has the Disney logo because Star Wars is a Disney product now. These two coins are two coins. I haven't decided as yet. I normally keep one for what I call my blue card collection. And I normally put one in, take one out of the packaging and put it into a flip. I do have a third one of these on order. Now I'm unsure what I'm going to do, whether I am going to take one of them out of the flip. I probably will, to go into my date run series. But here we go, let's have a look at the actual coin itself. This is the Royal Mint packaging, and we have the Emperor and Darth Vader with his lightsaber switched on, and it is on, as you can see I've got my fingers behind the back, so it is like a 3D effect. It says the machine, that's the machine, more machine than man, and then you've got some information written there. If you want to read that information, please pause the video and please read it at your leisure. It's a nice 3D pop-up effect. They started doing this, I think the first one that I saw with this, or one of the first ones, was the Wallace and Gromit one, so a few years back. Then you've got Sithology, which talks about the different Siths that make up the Star Wars universe on the back. Then on the next leaf we've got So Be It, a section called So Be It, and one called the British Empire. I think that talks about mainly the studios where some of the Star Wars sequences were filmed. The next inner leaf, if you like, is the Fallen Jedi. This talks about Darth Vader and Emperor Palpatine. That's two of the first ones that's of the dark side that you see. You then have on the back part you have Enter the Dark Side, and you also have the specifications of the coin. The coin itself is a 50p, as we know. There you go, you've got Charles III's portrait with the date of 2023. The coloured coin itself has picked out Darth Vader with his lightsaber already deployed, with Emperor Palpatine there in the back. At the bottom you've got Star Wars. You do have the hologram, or holographic source. I've forgotten the actual technical name they give this, but if you actually alter the way that the coin is in the light, you can see that there are two separate holographic images. I have mixed feelings about this coin, if I'm honest. One, Star Wars is a huge franchise. It's a well-loved franchise by many people. I've watched most of the films. Although I wouldn't call myself a great Star Wars fan. I've enjoyed the videos and the movies as I've seen them, but it's not something I'd want to go to a convention for like some people do. To that extent, take it to that extent. The other thing I'm a bit worried about is that Star Wars was mainly an American-based thing, or a American-based concept. Yes, there were some British actors in it. Yes, some of the sequences of Star Wars were filmed at Elstree, I believe it was. But does that give it the right to be issued as a UK coin? I'm not sure. It is not purely UK orientated, and this could be, as some people have said, be the slippery slope. It opens up things for areas that aren't British or don't celebrate British things being included on our coins. It's almost as if it's a flag of convenience almost to celebrate coins. There have been a lot of Star Wars coins issued by almost what could be termed flags of convenience countries. People like the Pitcairn Islands and South Georgia, people who allow their mint, their name to be associated with things that aren't directly related to their country. I hope this isn't the slippery slope down to having coins such as a series of Friends coins, or a series of Third Rock from the Sun, or the Big Bang Theory, that sort of thing, because I don't think the Royal Mint will lose its good name. It'll become a convenience place where you can, if you've got enough money, you can ask the Mint to issue a set of coins for your TV show or your franchise, and I don't think that would be right. It wouldn't be right for the UK, and it wouldn't be right for the Royal Mint. There's nothing to stop them doing it, but issuing it not as a Royal Mint coin. They could do it for other countries. There's nothing wrong with minting coins for other countries who wish to do that and to earn a bit of extra money by allowing a franchise to use their country's name to issue a circulating or a valued coin with a value on it into the coin collecting world. As I say, I don't want to see that happen to the Royal Mint. So I hope that this is not the slippery slope. You know, because where would it end? I certainly wouldn't like to see a set of Friends coins, or Third Rock from the Sun, or Big Bang Theory coins being issued by the Mint as British coins. I don't think that's right. However, I had my little moan. This is a nice coin. It's like the first one, which was R2-D2 and C3PO. It is a good coin. I'm looking forward to seeing what they do with the Princess Leia and Luke Skywalker coin, which I think is the next one. And then in the final one we've got two of the favourite naughty boys, shall we say, in Chewbacca and Han Solo. I'm looking forward to that. I'm hoping that the Mint next year does another Harry Potter series, and I'd like them to do that before they do another Star Wars series, because both franchises have got room for manoeuvre in what they actually do. You know, you could have a set of villains, you could have a set of goodies in both sets. So, you know, there's plenty of scope for extra coins in a second and third series, maybe, of these, very similar to what they did with the Beatrix Potter set. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like this coin? Do you think it is a coin that, because it's not been released, shouldn't be minted? if it was released, do you think it would add to the British coin collections or coin hunts, etc.? I'll leave you to sort of have that decision. I think it would be good, if you were to ask my opinion, I think it would be good to have these released into circulation, because I believe it would up people interested in collecting coins, as the Beatrix Potter series did when they were released. These haven't been released, and until they are released, I don't think there's going to be... There'll be a niche market for them, but it won't be as much of a money spinner for the Royal Mint as it would be if they were released into circulation. Therefore, I'll leave you with that thought. What do you feel about this coin? Do you believe it's a good set? Let me know in the comments below. I do a minimum of 4 videos a week, normally 5, so hopefully you'll find something that you like to watch next week and in the follow-up weeks. I am aiming to get 250 subscribers by the end of this year, before we go into January the 1st, 2024. At the moment I've got, I think it's 226 subscribers. If you believe I deserve it, can you give me the thumbs up for this video? And also, if you believe I deserve your subscription, would you please do so? If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins or notes, that you can get them for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you for waiting till the end of this video. And from me, until we meet up again on this channel, from me, bye-bye. Ta-da now.